Hi kids, let's draw a rainbow. Let's start. First, for the rainbow, we have to do the clouds. See, then another cloud. Hi children. Hello everyone. Please tell me the cloud's color name. Clouds is a blue color. Then draw a semicircle to it. Rainbow has 7 colors. So we have to do 7 semicircles. Here, first semicircle, then another semicircle. Just draw like this. Do you love to draw coloring and painting, children? Then do watch it and enjoy with me. Here you see, we have almost done of drawing this rainbow. We have done it. Then now we'll do the borderline darker, which enhances the beauty of the rainbow. Just use a sketch pen to make the borderline darker. Then start coloring. Rainbow has 7 colors. Here we do the red color first. Red, R-E-D, red, red color. R-E-D, red color. Then it comes the next color, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Orange color. Just do as I do it. Then comes the next color, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow color. See how much it is beautiful. Then comes the next color, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Are you loving to drawing the scene rainbow? Here comes the next color, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue color. Here comes the next color, violet. V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Now just do the clouds with the blue color, which adds more beauty to your rainbow. Just only makes the border line of blue line and keep inside the white color. Because sky is also, when you see the sky, it's white now, children. Yes. See how beautiful is this. Rainbow has 7 colors. First it comes red, then it comes orange, then it comes yellow, then it comes green, then it comes blue, then it comes purple, or violet you can see. Red, orange, yellow, green, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, red, orange, yellow, green, and blue and purple. Just try of doing this rainbow trick at your home. See how beautiful the rainbow is, like you all kids. Completed. Well done kids. Thanks for watching. To like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for more notifications.